All right, now I'm going to show you how to turn the Wi-Fi on the phone. Let's say you take your phone home and you don't have a data switch or a PoE switch at home, so you need to use it with Wi-Fi. First, you want to push this center button to get back to the home screen. Then you want to arrow right all the way to System, arrow down to Wi-Fi settings. Go ahead and toggle to the right to enable it. Wi-Fi is enabled. Now we're going to look for Wi-Fi signal by going down to Scan. All right, and I found one. I'm going to click on the one I want. Click Connect. We're going to enter the password. To enter the password, use these keys here. You can toggle through these using capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. I'm going to go to letters, J, H, J, H. I'm going to go to numbers, 2, 0, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I need to do an exclamation point. So how do you do that? You can go on any of these, but you're going to use the number 1 key. And I'm going to try and find an exclamation point here. It's kind of faint. Might want to wear your glasses on that. And it's right here. I'm going to push. Okay. And let's see if it connects. Wi-Fi network connected. So that's all there is to it.